like, where'd you go? Where are we, guys? We're in the arcade.
Ew, I look gross. Why do you guys tell me I look gross?
Hello.
Guys, I look gross.
You don't look bad. You don't.
No, I'm
Andy, you should make.
Right, I'm making another video.
Oh, I'm going to talk about this minion. Is it recording?
Yes, it is.
Alright, so listen up.
I
won. No. Alright, so I was in the arcade and I spent like $5 on this minion. And I brought it all the way to the bucket. And I was going to win it for my mom because she really likes them. And we're the same person. So it's like, I'm going to win you this minion. So, I ran out of fabulous. I ran out of singles. I ran out of singles. So I would have to break a 5. So my sister Amber over here, holding the minion that should be mine, was like,
we're coming.
Like, oh, I'm gonna try it. And I was like, oh yeah.
You told me to try it.
I told her she was gonna try the one next to it, but I told her like, it's this close, you might as well try this one. But then she brought it even closer, and it was like you know you're gonna win. And I was like, okay, just let me win this. Like I already put like $5 into it. And she's like, nope. So boom, she won it, and now she's brat. That's the end of my story.
Why are they yelling at us? It's raining.
Woo! Okay. I look really bad. So it is like a tsunami out there.
That was no warning. None.
And
That never. I hear.
we were walking the boardwalk, and we were literally soaking wet. Like, this looks like sweat, but it's not sweat. Look at the clouds over there.
Yeah.
And it was lightning, and I can't breathe. I'm so hungry.
That was crazy.
So I don't know what we're doing now because it's storming.
Oh, that hurt.
So, first video of my new hair, I dyed it like reddish. And we got ice cream. Me and my sister are totally just kind of like hanging out today. And what time is it? It is 12:54. And it's just so hot out, so we're trying to stay cool, so we're sitting in my car in the air conditioning, eating our ice cream that's melting like crazy. And we went to some stores this morning at like 10. And we might go to the movie center, right? So we'll see. If we do, I'll videotape there too.